हेलो नमस्ते, how are you all? Hope you're all good. आप कैसे हो? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? Thank you for all your support. Thank you so much. As you all know, we have got 80% offer on all electronic gadgets in Jiomart store. You can check out. And not only 80% offer you have got WhatsApp offer as well. If you don't know what is WhatsApp offer, I'll be providing the video in the I button and end screen. You can watch that video and know how you can order via WhatsApp all the Jiomart products and avail the offer. So availing 80% offer, we have purchased an electronic gadget. This is USB flash drive. You all know this is a storage device. It's a SanDisk product and it comes with 128 GB, rupees 18. As you see in the picture, the packing was good and it's the first time we have purchased an electronic gadget on Jiomart store. And we are happy, no regrets. You have got 7 days return policy. That means something is wrong with the product after the order being delivered home. You can return the product within 7 days of time. Now we'll see whether the USB flash drive is working or not. Shall we check out? Yes. Okay, here we have connected with the laptop. You can connect with any other devices which has got US compatibility. So after you connect, a pop-up appears as shown in the picture. You just click on that. Now you can copy all your files that are on your computer, say photos, videos or any other files as shown in the picture and paste it on a USB drive. Otherwise you can go for a drag and drop option if you want. So in this way you can easily move your files from your laptop or computers to pen drive or USB drive. After finishing copying, you have to safely eject USB drive as shown in the picture by clicking on eject button. It's portable, high capacity drive and you'll get extra storage space. It's a good quality product, you can go for it. Now the offer is on. Thanks for watching, do subscribe and keep smiling.